Self doubt is the only barrier. Self doubt is preventing us from being the person we always wanted to be. Since childhood, we have accumulated some limiting beliefs which are stopping us from taking action. We all have dreams in our life, but somewhere something is stopping us from acting on that dream, and that is our self doubt. And if we want to get out of this self doubt, we need to identify what are the self doubts first. We need to check how we are doing self talk. How are we talking to ourselves when we are alone? If we have thoughts which are unhelpful, so definitely their result would be unhelpful actions. If our thoughts are unhelpful, we won't take actions. So first check how what kind of self talk you are doing. Is it positive or negative? And apart from this, there are certain ways we can get over this self doubt. The first thing is, know that you are not alone. You must know that you are not alone. See, it's not only you or me who have self doubt. Almost everyone have this self doubt. So do not think that only you have this self doubt, because when we see that I'm alone who have self doubt, then that time we feel very scared and we feel very lonely. Just remove this thought that you are not alone. You have a lot of people with you. Second thing, stop worrying about what other people would think. You know, you do anything, people would say something or the other. And if you are wasting your time and energy thinking on what people would say about you, then you are going to get stuck in a loop. It's a loop actually, where you are stuck and cannot get out of it. So stop worrying about it and do what you have always wanted to do. Now, third thing is, set short goals. Keep a big goal in your life, but break that big goal into small goals that you can achieve on daily basis, weekly basis, and monthly basis. That way, if you break that goal into small task, and if you complete that one task, it will give you a feeling of achievement, and you will feel very confident after completing it. And once you start completing this small task, once you get success by completing this small task, the small wins will give you a big result. You won't even realize that when you will achieve your big goal. Now, the fourth thing is, surround yourself with the right people. So whatever you are doing right now, whether you are into a job or you are doing something else, and you have some other dream to fulfill which is not related to your job, you will not find like-minded people in your job, because they do not think the way you think. So get in touch with the right people. Do not take advice from your colleagues. Get into mastermind group which are like-minded. So when you are connected with like-minded people, you will always feel motivated. You will always get help whenever you are stuck. They will keep you moving. Now the fifth thing is, forgive yourself. Whenever we do something new, this is obvious that we will commit mistakes. This is not conscious mistake. This is unconscious mistake, because we are in the learning phase. So mistake will happen. Do not, sabotage yourself with self pity. Just get up quickly and learn from that mistake and take next action. Sixth and the last thing is, face your fears. So we need to identify our fears, and we'll have to take action against it. I have heard it somewhere that Do the thing you fear most, and the death of fear is certain. So, do the thing you fear most, and gradually you will see that the fear of that particular thing is gone. So, these were the 6 steps to overcome our self doubt. And once the self doubt is gone, our success is certain, because self doubt is the only thing between you and your success. Thank you so much. See you in next video.